Hey guys, so tonight we're gonna see my birds. So I have this bird in here somewhere. It's morning in right there. We'll take it out last because I have other three of them I can't take out because they won't let me. But the first one I'll take out is Olive. This is Olive. She is really green. It is so hard.
Sally, you gotta get ready in a few minutes, honey.
I will.
We got your game, and then we literally have to fly home and go to Sarah's game. Alright?
And I'm trying to take all of that. Here's oh. Olive, what are you doing? Olive's a crazy boy. Hey, Bill. Olive, right here. Oh no, she's fine. Oh, this is her favorite spot. She loves going right here, up at the door. Olive, you can't be this rich. It's like not possible. You need a lot of money and you need a business. So this is Olive. She's my greenest bird I have. Oh, she gets out of the cage sometimes, but I let her. Step up. Now time for Luna. Okay. Luna. Luna. Come here. That was easy. She's pretty easy to take out because I take her out often. She's one of my birds I take out the most. Oh. And we clipped her wings. No animal abuse because we had to because we always take her out. I don't know what happened here. I think because she's growing new feathers, she got this one out and then, oh my goodness. Luna, you gotta stay with me. She's my smallest bird, actually. And she's my only girl. I used to have like 3 girls, but I used to have an albino bird and then that one died. Sad, I know, but step up. This is my only girl left, and you can tell because she has, if you could see it, she has like a little pink thing on her leg right there. And for the last but not least, yeah, she's a really cute bird. Alright. So, she likes to go everywhere and stuff like that. Our next bird. Oh my goodness. Luna, ow. She can bite sometimes. She literally just bit me. But let's get out of this bit. She likes going in big small places, but let's go. And then get my last but not least bird. Come on, fish. Honey. Oh my goodness. There she is. And then this is Phil. Okay. Come here, step up. Step up. Phil. And he's my biggest bird. He can talk, he can say hi, and he will, what's that? He also flies around the house sometimes. He got out of the house, not out of the house, but like out of his cage, his house, and then he started flying all around the house, but now he's like home with us, so besides like he'll nip us. But it's just a warning, because then, I don't know, but he is adorable. I cannot. He is my bird I had the longest. I had him since I was 1, actually, and he likes to bite zippers. Oh, and he likes to bite napkins. Okay, step up. And you wanna go in the cage? Step up. Step up. Step up. Good. Down. Step up. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. He loves sitting on the top of his cage. And I will see you all in next time I go. Bye.